Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Classic Fitness Happy Planner, and this is last week, so from April 2nd through to April 8th, and I used Happy Blooms. They're just so pretty. And then this week for April 9th through to Thursday, April 15th, I will be using, where is it? Modern Year. All right, let's get started. So I decided I was going to pair Modern Year with these black and white florals. I had paired them with different florals earlier this week, but I used them all, so I'm going to use these ones. I apologize already for the state of my hand. I cut myself, was it Tuesday? Running, shouldn't have been running. I cut myself on the way from my office to the kitchen, and we have a foosball table that kind of sticks out the hallway, and I basically cut my hand on the way up there, so I apologize in advance for the state of my hand. All right, so I'm going to just use these florals as they are. So let's find, let's see, Rest and Relax is probably not what I want to go with, Here and Now. I like this, Make It Happen, and place that here. And actually, I don't mind the blue and the green. They kind of go with the brown. And let's see if I can find a box that will go down the side so I can write down my goals for the week. And I have to say, I feel like my water goals have gone very well because I got a new water bottle. Of all things, I got a new water bottle, and the water bottle is a liter, or just over 32 ounces. And I've been able to drink 2 of those and a little bit more every day since I've gotten it. So, yay! I'm gonna put a floral down. I actually should have put a floral down right in the middle, but I think what I'm going to do is cut this in half just like that, because I know that part of it will probably go off the page. And then I'm going to see if there is a nice quote at the back that I can put down at the bottom. So maybe this Rise and Shine or Plan Your Best Life. It's just what will fit, right? So, the Be Your Own Hero looks good. I like this. Be Your Own Hero. I'm putting it right up on the bottom. And I'm actually going to add a couple of these little florals around here just to add a little bit more there. Okay, so then let's see how I want to do this, because I do want to try and add boxes up here. So there's today, but they're not the type of, I mean, there's those. There's a lot of those actually, thank goodness. So I'm gonna try and use a few of these actually. So let's put one on Saturday, and I'm going to put another box as well for my weigh-in. And let's do that first of all. Let's find a small box like these ones. Okay, these ones might be better, although I'm not a big fan of the foil. So maybe the peach. If they had the gray, gray would have been really good. Actually, what I'm gonna do, take one of these, place it just here, and that'll be for my weigh-in. And then I'm gonna cut this floral. I don't know actually, just like so. Place it there. And then this one I'm going to place up here so that you get the design of the floral without it actually going into the boxes. And I really like that. Now this focus box, is there any way I could use these focus boxes? I don't know. We will see. But let's keep going with the, I like these too. All right, let's not get distracted because I tend to do that. So, oh, the today boxes are at the beginning. So let's do one gray and then one more peach. And I don't mind them not being exactly in line. I don't know, I think there's something that bothers me about it being exactly in line versus just a little off. I don't know. That's not straight, but whatever. You guys know me. All right, now let's take some of these florals here. And I'm gonna try and do maybe the same thing of, because I mean, that takes up a lot of room. So that floral might be too big. So let's put that one back. Let's try a smaller floral. And put that just right here. Perfect. And then I want to put one in that corner. And I think what I'll do is just cut it like this. And just put it down like so. And actually, I really enjoy that. Okay, so now I put those today boxes up there and I do like the way those look. So now I can maybe do something with these or these. I like these. So let's see, you know, if I put something like this, let's try that. Oh, just right to the edge of the page, which is absolutely fine. Then I'm going to cut this and put this one like so, although maybe I'll use this one because this one will take up less room. I enjoy that. I actually like these little florals coming out of the corners. And then for here, because that doesn't leave me a lot of room to put down breakfast, I'm gonna grab a box, and while it does cover a little bit of the floral, some people would be like, but you just covered it and blah blah. It's fine. Okay. What I'm then gonna do is cut this one in half. I'm gonna put one just like so, and then the other one on the other side. And again, there may be not a ton of room to write down my meal, but I'm gonna take a box. Whoa. And just to place it like so. And it's gonna go over into the next day a little bit, but I don't mind too much. Then let's grab, I actually don't mind using too many box stickers in this spread. It's quite nice actually. So I'm gonna do important. Maybe place it here, because actually Sunday the 11th I am starting another round of Lift 4, but also starting 10 rounds. So another program done by Joel Freeman, the one who has created, what's it called? Lift 4. And I absolutely, like, I'm a big fan of Lift 4. So let's put this one like this. I actually really like that. And then I wish there were more gray boxes because I've used so many of them. I'm going to take this one, cut, because I can still use this for something, and then place this here. Oops. Make sure it's straight, first of all. This I will use another time. And I hope you guys are also noticing the fact that I'm not using just fitness stickers in a fitness planner. I am using all different types of stickers. I'm using stickers made for the classic happy planner. I'm using stickers made for the mini. I'm using, so you don't have to limit yourself to a particular type of sticker, a sticker book even, to use in this planner. So I'm going to just leave that as is and maybe add, I almost feel like this one, I cut it like this and just place it like so. Get little random flowers here and there, and I feel like this corner definitely needs a floral somewhere. But like that. Okay, and then I will add these little tiny ones all over. Just where here and here, so it doesn't block off too much of the writing space. Okay, actually really like that. Although this brown is now very jarring because the rest of the spread isn't too brown. So maybe I can add some of these flags. I don't know. I actually just will leave it. Okay, so this is what it looks like before the pen. I'm going to show you guys how I normally fill in one column, and then I'll fill in the rest and then show you once it's done. Okay, so for this top portion here, I normally journal how I feel after a workout, how I feel about my eating for the day. So kind of what you see in this previous spread, talking about my workout, how I felt about food. So it's different than my regular journaling that I would have in my horizontal planner. The journaling in here is specifically for anything workout or nutrition related. And then I'm going to say this box here is for my weigh-in for that day. And then this row here where it says focus is where I keep track of my sleep score and my water intake. And I mean, you can keep track of anything in here, but for me, it's just sleep is what's important. And I get my sleep score from my Fitbit. And then with my water intake, I am trying to do 2 liters every day. So every circle is 200 mils. And then in this portion here, I basically do like pre-tracking or meal planning. So, you know, I know pretty much every day I'm going to have, well, every day after a workout, I'm having my Recover shake. And then I think tomorrow I am going to have a protein waffle. I had one today and it helped fill me up so much. And then for lunch, I'm going to mark it right here. I have garlicky chicken with broccoli. And normally when I make my lunches, I pick one meal that has anywhere from 4 to 6 portions. And that is basically my lunch for the week. I'm a creature of habit, so I'm absolutely fine having the same lunch Monday through Friday. And then dinner tomorrow is going to be pizza. Yay. And then down here, I keep track of my workouts. So I'm going to actually write, because it is last day. So it will be lift for week 8, day 4, which is full body. Not looking forward to that. And then bar blend, week 8, day 5, which is lean legs blend. And then I keep track of the steps that I do every day and the calories burned every day. And then aside from that, I also actually try and fill in my goals every week. So I try to get 150 fit points. If you're on WW, you're familiar with that. 2 liters of water. That's not how I meant to write it. 2 liters per water. Nope. So 2 liters of water per day. Journal every day. 12,000 steps per day. and 2,000 calories burned per day. I like having my goals basically there forefront all week, because what I've learned is that if you are continuously looking at your goals, then you're more aware of them, you're more likely to do things every day to get you closer to achieving your goals. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest and then show you once it's done. So there's the overall finished spread. I love it now that it's all written. And I always love the spread once, you know, it's after the pen. I mean, when it's first decorated, it looks really empty. But then as soon as you start writing in it, it just makes such a huge, huge difference. So once again, just to go over everything, this top section is for journaling, so how I feel after a workout. And I find that's really important, especially when you're looking at the change in your behavior. It's good to write down how you felt about a workout, whether the workout was something you really enjoyed, whether it's something that you feel like you had areas of opportunity for. I say areas of opportunity because that's such a work term, but no, things that you felt like you could improve on. And then looking at sleep and water tracking, because with all the research that's going on, sleep and water intake are just as important as looking at your calorie intake, because the amount of sleep you get and the amount of water that you get really affect your, basically, you know, the choices that you make when it comes to taking in the food. And then you see I've tracked as much of my meals as I can do. Now, if anything does change, whiteout is my best friend, or I take stickers from Waternear and just put them and cover up that section. And then down here, I have listed all of the scheduled workouts that I've got now, because I've started a new program. I'm going to show you guys this. I have a section in the front of my fitness planner where I have basically just keep track of all of the programs I've done. So I've done Lift 4. I'm actually going to take a look at that and see my progression. You know, and then MBF and MBFA, and then most recently this round of Lift 4 with bar blend and all of my stats here. And then now I have the tracker for, this is one that I created. This is not one that's been created by any Beachbody coaches, so this is one that I just wanted to do for myself, and the weight progression tracker for Lift 4 and 10 rounds. So I have that in the front section of my fitness planner, and then that's the schedule. So this is the schedule that I go by, that I put down here. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.